billions of dollars of American weapons paid for by US taxpayers. What is the story? What is going on? And what is all the chaos about? The American weapons are now protecting the Taliban and are equipping the TTP across the border. Here are the details that you need to know of. According to the final report by the US watchdog SIGAR, the equipment, weapons, and the entire facilities that the Washington built for the Afghan National Defense and Security Forces but failed to secure during the 2021 withdrawal. That has now been formed as the security apparatus for the Taliban. When Kabul fell, Afghanistan was left with more than 300,000 US weaponry, which had a value of nearly $500 million. Rifles, machine guns, and all the advanced weaponry is now being operated in Afghanistan by the Taliban. But the recent reports and analysts have said that all of these recent and very modernized weaponry has been seen among the TTP, the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. So that means that all of this machinery which was left behind when Kabul fell is now in the hands of TTP. For Pakistan, it means a resurgence of terrorist attacks. For Pakistan, it means that the attacks might be much more deadlier and the security needs to be beefed up, as the analysts and the critics are right now saying. And this in itself seems to be a security lapse which has been going on, according to different analysts and reports. But right now, the question over here is that how will Pakistan react to this watchdog's report?
A joint public petition have been filed in the Lahore High Court by 4 lawyers against the Crime Control Department (CCD) that was established back in January 2025 under the direction and supervision of Chief Minister of Punjab. According to the petition filed in Lahore High Court, the lawyers said that Crime Control Department has encountered around 1,100 citizens in the entire Punjab so far on their alleged crimes, but at the same time, Crime and Control Department is making fake encounters of the civilians and innocent people without probing into the meticulous details of the case. They said that the petitioners, as 4 lawyers, have requested the Chief Minister of Punjab to implement the Punishment and Prevention Act 2022, which empowered actually the Federal Investigation Agency FIA to probe into the meticulous details of any encounter or any murder that would go on for 30 days. The implementation of custodial death Punishment and Prevention Act 2022 requires the implementation of the meticulous details in the murder or assassination or encounter details. And at the same time, this Act of 2022 requires that Federal Investigation Agency would complete the details or would complete the examination of the custodial death within 30 days. But these requirements were not being implemented or implicated by the administrative and enforcement agencies. That's why the 4 lawyers, the 4 petitioners against the CCD have reached the Lahore High Court and petitioned that this act must be implemented in its true sense and manner. This development was actually instigated and it emanated from a place of horror and enrage as a young policeman killed a lawyer in Vehadi whose name was Zishan Dadi, and that encounter was not justified by the Crime Control Department, and thus the 4 petitioners have reached Lahore High Court saying that fake encounters that are being conducted by Crime Control Department are actually not an alternative to the justice system, as it has created a state of panic and fear among the young and innocent civilians who are not enjoying the fundamental right of fair trial and probing into the meticulous details as they were encountered by the Crime and Control Department this entire year.